Say as is video. Shit is cold. It's a little cold, baby. Alright, let's get an as is video. You good? Do you want me to wait on you?
No, go ahead.
Okay.
I was just gonna take a picture of the car.
Okay. Alright. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Rio Acting Up page. We're not acting up today. What am I going? Rio Acting Up page. That sounds, I don't like that. Rio Acting Up page. I don't like it. I'm gonna get it right. We're gonna get it right. I like acting up though. Obviously acting up is because of the Acura. Yes, that's where the name came from. Rio Acting Up, you know. Here go the as is video. I am about full bolt on now. I'm full bolt on now. 3.5. I'm full bolt on. I'm full bolt on. Yeah. Get y'all this as is video, man. 3.5. When I got this car, it's been about 2 years now since I had this car. This car has been a daily driver. This car has been great as a daily driver and for what I'm doing, because I really don't know what I'm doing other than modifying my car like I've always wanted to do. So give y'all an as is video because it's gonna be a lot of changes in the coming months. But this is how she's held up from 2 years. So, you know, it's been great, to be honest with you. When I first got the car, I only had a muffler delete and this intake. So now we have an intake, pre-cats, RV6. There is a lightweight pulley down there, it's blue. And then we have P2Rs, intake runners, and manifold spacer. And I did get a throttle body spacer. I have the, for exhaust wise, we straight pipe. So I do have an endless RPM jpipe as well as their test pipe, and then there's a resonator delete, and then there's no muffler. So this is a real straight pipe 4th gen Acura TL. Now I'm gonna fix all of that because that is a little janky now that it's been a daily driver. It's you know, it's time for a real exhaust. So we're gonna go full atlp setup. And I kid you not, these are eBay mufflers. And I'm giving y'all as is, like she's dirty right now and everything. There's gonna be a lot of changes. Tires are 17s, they came with 17s. I got this car on Facebook Marketplace, man. Facebook Marketplace, $7,000. 2 years ago from today. So this car has definitely held its value for me. As you can see, I had the chrome window deflectors. I had 4, literally came off. But we got more of these. We're gonna replace all of this. We're gonna fix it all up. We get new tire or new wheels. These wheels came with it. I also have spacers on here. I do not know the millimeter size, I forgot, but those were off of endless RPM too. I don't have any suspension work done. Coilovers are coming in too. Yeah. Yeah, that's it for that. I did get it tuned on K-Tuner from on a dyno as well. Give y'all a look at the interior. Yeah, she's rough, man. Rough right now. But I do have this dash mat This is a cover craft, I believe it's called. If that's not what it's called, I'll fix it in the video. We're gonna swap this steering wheel. Man, I'm telling you, this car is gonna look different. This car is gonna be a different car. I did want to go performance first, so that's the kicker. So it's already full bolt on. I do want to go supercharger, but you know, that'll be a surprise. I might just surprise y'all with it. We might, you know, we'll see. We're gonna get these numbers right though. So yeah, as is, man. Paint, tip, and everything. This is a daily driver. I want y'all to see that this is a daily driven car. This car was even hit while I was parked. That's a whole nother story right there. If y'all want the story on that, just let me know. I'll give y'all the story on what happened with that. But the car didn't have a bent frame or nothing, but I was definitely hit while I was parked. But the car didn't have any, you know, frame damage or anything. Like that story, let me know if y'all want to know that story. I'll let you know. But this car has held up fine. This car can take a punch. This car was crank up and drive every day. For 2 years, the only thing I have gotten on this car is a starter and a battery. And of course, tires and brakes. That's it. For 2 years, I haven't even changed spark plugs. I haven't changed belts from who I got the car from, off of Facebook Marketplace. Now, I mean, that's not the best thing to say, but it's held up, is what I'm trying to say. This car has been great. So, as is, I didn't want to wash it or anything. All of this is gonna be fixed. But just showing you that it holds up. And it wouldn't be me if I don't let y'all hear it. Yeah, so we're gonna switch all that. It's loud, but it's so raspy. Straight pipe is very, very, very raspy. If you like raspy, go for the straight pipe, or take the resonator off. The resonator will make it very raspy if you like the rasp. If you don't, keep your resonator on, keep it quiet. I am going atlp, but I am going non-resonated though, so we'll see how it sounds. Give y'all a little clip from the back, and that's it. Till the next time. Next time to the best time. Appreciate y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. More content on the way. At J35. It's gonna ride. We're gonna act up in it too.